Hello guys and welcome to another trip report. Today we're flying from Quito's Mariscal Sucre International Airport down to Cuenca's Mariscal Amari International Airport. Today we're flying with Latam Airlines on their Airbus A319 registered as Hotel Charlie Charlie Papa Juliet. After easily checking in on the Latam Airlines app and clearing the security filters, we're now heading to our gate, walking through this interesting aisle which I'm always happy to go through because here we can find a bunch of interesting products such as this paja tortilla hat or many other accessories. Today we're boarding from gate number 11 and here is our plane. These Latam Airlines Airbus A319 were in the Latinos Hace Volar special livery, as Latam Airlines Ecuador is the official airline of the Ecuadorian soccer team. As usual, they are boarding by groups, and in my case, I'm in group number 7.
Buenas tardes, ayúdeme señor, por favor.
Buenas tardes.
Permítame su pase. Un buen viaje,
Gracias.
por favor.
I don't know how about you guys, but always walking down through jetway is a unique feeling for me. So here is our aircraft, and we also have here an Avianca Ecuador Airbus A320.
Buenas tardes.
Hola, buenas tardes, ¿cómo está?
So here is our seat for today, TANF, which is located on the emergency door. I have never flown on one before, so let's check it out. With this beautiful golden light, the KLM 777-300ER taxiing out of the ramp is heading down to Guayaquil. So let's check out our seat. Here in the seat back pocket, we can find the safety card and also more information about how to manage the emergency exit if needed. And as expected, we have plenty of legroom. And in this case, the tray table is not in front of me, but besides me, which was kinda interesting. Also, as you saw before, they handed out this little kit for cleaning and some chocolate while boarding. Next to us we have this Avianca Ecuador Airbus A319 registered as November 741 Alpha Victor, which is normally used to fly from Guayaquil to New York JFK.
Dear passengers, my name is Danny, your flight service manager, together with Captain Daniel Zapata. And the entire crew would like to welcome you on board our flight, Latam to Cuenca. Your time is valuable to us, so we'd like to inform you that we are on time and we expect to take off in the next few minutes.
I was very excited about this flight because Danny, which is a friend of mine, was going to be one of the crew members taking me down to Cuenca. Now we're pushing back on time, and here is our departure off of runway 36.
Solamente en modo avión. Equipos que no dispongan de esta función deben ser apagados. Si su equipo queda atrapado en el asiento, antes de sacarlo o mover el asiento, avísennos para ayudarlos. Cuando la señal luminosa esté encendida, abrochen y ajusten su cinturón de seguridad, insertando la punta de metal en la hebilla y tirando la correa. Para abrirlo, levanten la tapa de la hebilla. Recomendamos mantener el cinturón abrochado y visible durante todo el vuelo, aunque la señal de cinturones esté apagada. Está prohibido fumar a bordo, inclusive cigarrillos electrónicos. Manipular los detectores de humo en baños está prohibido por ley. Para el despegue, los respaldos deben estar en posición vertical, las mesas guardadas y aseguradas y el equipaje de mano guardado en los compartimientos superiores o bajo el asiento de adelante. Este avión tiene 6 salidas de emergencia, 2 en el sector delantero, 2 en el sector indicado en el asiento frente a usted, pudiendo ser el cojín del asiento o un chaleco salvavidas. Si es el cojín, sáquelo del asiento, abrácelo y sujételo de las manillas como se indica en la tarjeta con información de seguridad. Si es un chaleco salvavidas, lo encontrará.
After a pretty cloudy and bumpy departure out of Quito, they are offering some water as the onboard service, as it is just a short hop down to Cuenca. While cruising, Danny came and gave me this kit, which is normally given to passengers on larger flights, for example down to Santiago de Chile. So I would like to give a big shout out to Danny. Make sure to follow him on TikTok and also subscribe to his YouTube channel, as he's always blogging his daily life as a flight attendant flying for Latam Ecuador. We have already started our descent, so here is our landing into Cuenca's Mariscal Lamar International Airport doing the RNAV runway 24 arrival. Landing in Cuenca is always one of the best experiences that you could ever had if you are flying around Ecuador.
Nuestro programa Latam acumularán millas y podrán volar cada vez más. Esperamos tenerlos a bordo en su próximo viaje. Thank you for choosing Latam. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off and you are called to disembark. Please avoid crowding the aisle and remember that wearing a face mask covering nose and mouth is still mandatory.
We're parking into our gate, and it turned out that Eric, which is also a friend of mine, was actually one of the pilots taking me down to Cuenca. So here we have a quick tour of the cockpit. I always enjoy deporting by stairs, so that's another good point for Cuenca. Okay, so that's it for this trip report, guys. I really enjoyed this flight. I had an incredible experience flying with Latam Ecuador, and I'm definitely looking forward to flying with them once again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and to leave some comments, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All the links are down in the description. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.